Hi everyone, my name is Christina, or Tina for short, currently taking Driving NC II. Let me give you a brief background why I am in your screen right now. Our instructor, Mr. Wilbert Galica, sent us a post about Skills Showcase. Skills mo, i-vlog mo. In our group chat. And I said, oh wow, this is nice. Now I have a chance to share my story, how good our instructor is, and how I am thankful that he became part of this journey. My experience during the training that is still ongoing, and why driving skills is important to me and to every woman and man out there. I have zero knowledge about driving, have no car, and doesn't have the money to buy one. But still, I want to learn how to drive. Why? Because I want to become independent and gain skills that I could use personally and to earn money too. A skill that is used every day of our life. I can't imagine how excited I am for the first day of online class and face-to-face class. I enjoyed every minute of it. I know our instructor is so good at his profession. His name is Wilbert Galica, by the way. Hi, sir. What can I ask for more for a teacher? He's very calm, patient, kind, open to questioning, and every day we are learning and gaining the skills in driving.
Kasi ang maano yung kabit mo tapos ito, yung kandang mo na. Pag alam mo sakto na doon, balik mo na sa manabela sa gitna. Kasi lalabas tayo dyan.
I couldn't thank him enough. I also wanted to thank the whole TESTA. Hi po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat. The training is not easy, I would say. Everything is new to me, but our instructor helped us a lot in gaining confidence during the training. Let me show you some of the practicum we had, such as the proper way to lock and unlock doors of cars.
Diretso mo na yan.
How to change battery, drive forward and reverse, yay! For the first time. The different types on how to park. Angle parking, parallel parking, perpendicular parking, perpendicular back parking.
Okay na, yan. Start. Tanggal ang brake. Reverse. Atras. Auto. Off, lalabas. Hindi po. Paano mo papupuntahin ko? Magkano ang punta ng bukod? Kano ang sa'yo? Sige, atras. Tandaan ko, tingnan. Yun!
Nag-iikot din kami sa buong TESDA tuwing umaga. As I said, the training is still ongoing and I am very excited to continue it. Every one of us deserves a better life, and TESDA is just one of the agencies that gives a lot of opportunities to grab it and enhance it. I hope you learned something today. Bye!